All right, so finally it's 8 a.m. and we are live now again. So कल हमने थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लेट किया था. अच्छा वेट सेकंड, हमने माइक ही यूज नहीं किया है. ओके, वेयर इज द एंटायर स्क्रीन. ओके, सो कल हम लोगों ने शायद मिनट्स के अराउंड अराउंड या 40 मिनट्स के अराउंड अराउंड हमने लोग कंप्लीट किया था. आई नो अभी वॉइस नहीं आ रहा होगा क्लियर. लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप ब्रो. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल ट्राई, बिकॉज हमारे पास सारे एलिमेंट्स पड़े हुए हैं. मैंने अभी अभी जस्ट सारा एलिमेंट्स जो है रेडी कर लिया है. समथिंग लाइक वी हैव आवर कैरेक्टर विथ अस, and after character we have this. I mean, this is a very easy to go thumbnail, so that's why I am saying we can complete it in a few 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So let's start this stream in a while. Let me check, is there any issue or stream on stream or not. Okay, let's open तब तक के लिए affinity है. Okay, so we have affinity here, and now what we can do is we can here, you have to click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, you can see here is the another option of set the page width to 16 inch and page height to 9 inch, and then create a document. After clicking on create document, it will create a document simply, and it will create a basic white blank sheet which we can use for now. So here is our blank page. We have to first of all add our character here. Let me check the voice once. Yeah, the voice is clear. So it can be on documents. First of all, let's import. What is this? Okay, let's import our character here. Something like this. And after taking it, put it here. Like, you have to just click on the canvas anywhere you want it to place. You have to just click on, and here we go. Now this is good to go. We have to just increase the size. We will increase the size a lot because we need it to be sharper. Yeah, this much. And now what we have to do, we have to just import our one more element, which is which is this one. So how we made this, I will show you the entire process in a easy, very easy format. Like we can complete it in 10 to 20 minutes. I mean, not 10 to 20 minutes. We will complete this thumbnail in 10 to 20 minutes. Baki we can, yeah. So we have to go to this rectangular tool option. Then we have to go to rounded rectangular tool, and then we have to create something like this same box like this. And we have to add our text. The text is normally one is okay. So the one text, one font is Poppins, and next one is Poppins bold. And what about this graph? So for the graph, you have to just go to this your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome or any browser. After visiting there, you have to click on plus, and you have to search for graph PNG. You will get a lot of graph PNG here. Okay, sorry. You have to search for green grass PNG. Okay, green grass PNG, graph PNG. Okay, so here you can get a lot of images. Like we use this kind of You can use any of the, you can use this too, you can use this too, use this one also. Okay, so you can use any of the graph from here, and after using the graph, you have to just put it on the white rectangular box. Here you have to put it here, like this. You have to put it in the this white. After doing this, you have to again go to Chrome and search for easily a trading background. This is a very basic thumbnail, so it will be completed in 5 to 10 minutes. Trading background BG. You can search trading background and you will get the trading backgrounds here. You have to select one. We will go with, we will, we have to go where the, yeah, I think this one looks perfect. Now you have to click here on the save option and save image as, you have to rename the file. I am going as at trading bg. Now it's done. We can complete the thumbnail in few seconds now. And yeah, you can use any AI or anything to crop the image. It's a very basic thing for now. So you can do that very easily. So just you have to drag and drop the things and you will be good to go. Watch out. So this is the background. You have to fix the background like this, and you have to take the background to the down layer, and you can see it's looking fine. Okay, we have to adjust this. Now we have to add some more elements, like we can add some extra money to look it, to make it more documents, to make it more attractive. Okay, here is the money layer. So here we go. You can download the money png also from Google. You have to just paste it here, and you have to just increase the size. Okay. What we did is, you have to select this layer and drag this to this. Now it's good to go. What we have to do is, we have to go to FX. After clicking on FX, go to this outer shadow. After clicking on out, not outer shadow, let's go on outer glow, and click on this screen. Sorry, not screen. Go to normal and increase the radius, increase the opacity, offset, and intensity to the up. Upside will be good to go. This looks better. Now what we have to do, we have to drag the thumbnail here and again go to FX. Now we can see the adjustment here, not this one. We have to drag this a little more. Go to FX again. After clicking on FX, click on the outer glow again, and then we want on this. Okay, so what we added, bro? Okay, we are on outer glow. We didn't used outer glow, I think. We have to use outer glow. Change the glow color to black, like this. And after using black, you have to increase the radius, and you have to increase the opacity here, intensity. I don't know why it's giving strokes, but we need not gradient Gaussian blur. Okay, what we can do is, we have to just close the tab, and we have to duplicate the layer. And after duplicating it, we have to add this Gaussian blur to the down layer, to the second layer of this money notes. Okay, we have to just go to Gaussian blur and click on it, and add the Gaussian blur to this much, and we have to switch off the outer layer and outer shadow. Okay, let's give the outer shadow here. Now we can use a little more blur Preserve alpha. No. Okay, so it's looking good now. Now what we have to do is we have to go to outer glow and we have to switch it off like this. We have to go to outer shadow. We have to decrease the radius and opacity to a very low. Okay. Now what we can do is we can just merge them down. If we have the option of merging down, we can merge it down, or else we can use it in a proper manner. Like, let's bring back the. Okay, now we can use the merge down option. We have to just click here, and after clicking here, we can merge the visibles. So merge visible, as you can see, it's merging the visibles. The visibles are collected as pixel. Now we can delete these two layers. Just go to delete and delete them. Switch on all the layers, toggle the visibility of the background and everything, and bring your thumbnail layer. Then use the pixel, take and duplicate the pixel. Now what we have to do is drag this to the down where it's gone. Drag it to down layer, something like this, and increase the size. After increasing the size, set it to this. You can decrease the size. I think the increased one looks more better. So it's now good to go. What we can do is we can add a glow here, and after adding a glow we can add more. Like, let's go with the glow layer. I think we have the glow layer here, shadow bg. Let's search for, here is the light png. We need the light png, but first of all let's start with the shadow one. Paste it here, increase the size, take this to up and increase the size again, and after that go to the visibility, I mean the blend, and click on multiply. Where is multiply? Okay, so here we go. Now we can adjust this in this manner, and change the opacity to accordingly, like 70-80%. It's enough. Now it's looking super fine. We just have to upload a light png here, this one, and we have to open it. We have to drag it here. After dragging, increase the size, fix it, again increase the size, again fix it, sorry, again fix it properly, and after fixing it, go to blend, click on linear dodge, linear dodge, color dodge, linear dodge. Where is linear dodge? You can go to soft light, hard light, according to you. Okay, linear color dodge. Okay, fine. Color dodge is fine. Now what we have to do is dragging it, and after dragging it, paste it here where it's gone. So after pasting it, go to the layer. Okay, fine. Now increase the size according to this, and it's fine now. You have to change the HUE to, I think this thumbnail looks good now. What we can do is, yeah, it's good now. Now we have to go to the color grading section and we have to finish the thumbnail actually. Click on the color grading section. It will take some time. First of all, decrease a little brightness of the character and increase a little contrast. So this one is good. Now increase the sharpness to the character. and enhance the clarity also. Keep the sharpness a bit low and clarity too. Okay, we can't increase the sharpness, I think. We can go with this 2% of sharpness only. It's also good to go. Okay, now back to the light layer. Increase the sharpness and change the HUE to green. Okay, this looks fine now. Now we have to go to character layer, and we have to decrease some shadows because it's looking super bright. So we have to just decrease some shadows. It's looking fine now. Now what we have to do is, where is the saturation option? It's on the other side, I think. So let's increase the exposure a little bit. No, I think no need. Let's downgrade it again. Now we need to do this. We need to adjust the money. So we have to increase the sharpness and clarity here. And what we have to do again with the money nodes, we have to do sharpness and this clarity to reduce the sharpness. And okay, now what we will do here, we will decrease the brightness because we need it to be a little darker from the front money. Okay, so that's why we are using this. After decreasing the background, increase the contrast and decrease the exposure. Yeah, I think this is good now. First one is a little bit poppy, and the second one is good. Now let's move to the trading background. Here we have to go to brightness, low a little bit, and we have to increase the contrast, increase the sharpness, and increase the clarity. For sharpness, we can go with this much. I think 13 is enough. Yeah, 13 is good to go. Now we have to again come to pixels. Just come to the pixels option, and here we have to adjust everything. Like, first of all, we have to adjust this. Let's go to the move tool. So here is our move tool. We have to just decrease the light so that it can be look natural. We don't have to put it on complete like image. Okay, now we have to set it here. After doing this, increase the size a little bit, this much. And I think this much brightness is enough, I think. Okay, so now move to the, now let's, what we have to do is, everything is good now. We have to duplicate the characters layer. Duplicate, we have to duplicate the characters layer, and we will go with color grading section again. But first of all, yeah, I think everything is completed now. We have to just color grade it again a little bit, and we will be good to go. We have to go to this saturation, and after clicking on saturation, increase the saturation. Not this much, but a little bit. Yeah, something like this. Now we need the background is good. We just need this. Increase the sharpness of the paper so it can also look a little clear and sharp. This one looks fine now. Now we can go to again trading background, and we have to decrease the whatever. We have to increase the brightness and we will decrease the exposure. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, this looks fine now. Now this is done. Let's move to the vector tool or pixel tool. You can use any. Let's go to pixel only. So yeah, I think the character is not. Yeah, it's loading. So yes, this is the thumbnail. It's good to go, I think. So finally, this is the thumbnail, and we made it in 20 minutes. So after being ready with the elements, we made it in 20 minutes. But with making this box and graph, we took another 20 to 30 minutes. So in 1 hour, you can complete this trading thumbnail. It's looking fine. I think we need to give a little, very little saturation to the character. Go to the character layer where it is. Jump from the character layer here, and we have to click on saturation. Increase the saturation a little bit. It's yeah, okay. It's fine now. Let's move to pixel again. And 9 people are watching. Very good. Okay, so this is how we created this thumbnail. And where are the 9 people? Are you able to comment? Hello. If you are able to live chat or comment, please try to chat live. And also, please try to hit the like button. Okay, so let's import it as a PNG. It will take some time, but it will be done. So, look what we can do. You can comment on the 7 people, or you can like the stream if you like learned anything from this thumbnail. You can comment down very easily. I think my live chat section is not opening. Let me check from my screen tab. I think it's what happened, bro. Acha, it's saved now. The export PNG file, exported PNG file is saved now. We have to cut it off and Control plus F. Sorry, yes, we have to save this untitled node. Create. Now we can save this as document. It's saved, I think. Now we can cut it in a proper manner, and let's move to the YouTube tool. Chat disconnected. Chat is disconnected or what? 6 people are watching, but there's only one like, and chat is alive or not? Is chat available? Yeah, is chat available? 5 people are here. Now also 5 people are here, but no chat. Start a Q&A. Members only live stream. No, we'll get this options too. Hit it. So that's all for today. I think there is some glitch. That's why 5 people are watching. Okay, now let's end up the stream because we made our thumbnail. Chalo, bye bye. If anyone is there, please type a little bye bye, bro. It gives a little motivation. At least you can give a bye bye. 5 people are watching now also. Don't know what is happening. Okay. No one is on stream, I think. There's any glitch. Let's end this. Let's end this. Bye.